Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children. This is a special session for classes 6th to 10th where I am going to announce you the syllabus for formative assessment 2. So our FA2 examination syllabus I am going to announce today. Okay. For class 6th, it is for class 6th. The syllabus is, as you all know that some topics have been deleted. I'll tell you what are the topics which have been deleted first. The landforms lesson Penamakuru has been deleted, and even agriculture in our times also has been deleted, and trade in agricultural produce part A and part B is also deleted. Emergence of kingdoms and republics and first empires. These are the lessons which are deleted from the syllabus. So our formative assessment 2 syllabus will be village panchayats will be there. Okay, 13th lesson village panchayat will be there. And even 14th lesson local self-government institutions, local self-government will be there. This is a syllabus. Okay, and next unit, 15th unit is diversity in our society. These are the 3 units which is for the syllabus of FA2, and as you have already attempted FA1, all the questions will be in multiple choice questions. So be prepared. The revision for these 3 units will take place. I once again repeat, children, 6th class FA2 syllabus is village panchayat, local self-government and diversity in our society. So I think I am quite clear with FA2 syllabus of class 6th. Now I'll tell you the syllabus for 7th standard, class 7. Okay, so the syllabus for class 7th is, as you know that some lessons also have been deleted from class 7. It is ocean and fishing, Europe, Africa, industrial revolution, production in a paper mill, and importance of transport system. And these are the units which have been deleted. Even implementation of laws in the district is also deleted. I repeat once again, ocean and fishing is deleted, Europe is deleted, Africa is deleted, and industrial revolution, production in a paper mill, and importance of transportation system, implementation of laws in the district. These are the units which are deleted. Coming to the FA2 syllabus, here we have the kings of Vijayanagara. It is the kings of Vijayanagara, and the Mughal Empire, and establishment of British Empire. Establishment of British Empire. These are the 3 units for FA2, children. Be prepared. So, you know, the FA1 examination was conducted in multiple choice questions. The same kind of pattern will be followed even in this examination also. So be prepared. The revision of these 3 units also will be taken up after. Okay, I once again repeat, the 7th class FA2 syllabus will be the kings of Vijayanagara, Mughal Empire, and the establishment of British Empire. So these are the syllabus for FA2 of 7th standard. Coming to the syllabus of the 8th standard, children. So 8th class syllabus for FA2 will be the freedom movement in Hyderabad state. It is for 8th class. Freedom movement in Hyderabad state. We have learned this lesson very deeply about Hyderabad state because we belong to this state. And next, followed by the Indian Constitution, the values of Indian Constitution we have seen under this unit, the Indian Constitution, and followed by Parliament and central government. Parliament and central government. These are the 3 units which is the syllabus for FA2, formative assessment 2. So you know it, children, previously FA1 examination was conducted in multiple choice questions. Same kind of pattern will be there. So be prepared for line by line of the text to write down the examination, and some general questions also will be asked from the parliament and central government, where we have seen under the central government, the union cabinet, and even the MPs of different areas also. So do not forget about that. And coming to the 9th class syllabus, children, as you know, the FA2 syllabus for 9th class is agriculture in India. For 9th class it is agriculture in India, and followed by industries in India. Industries in India. And another unit is social protest movements, we'll say. Social protest movements. These are the 3 units for the syllabus of FA2. FA2 for class 9th. Do not forget, it is for class 9th. And coming to the 10th class, children, for 10th class, the syllabus of FA2, okay. As 10th class examination date is coming very soon, examination fee date is coming this month, by this month ending. So be prepared even for that also. So here we learn about the national movement, the Indian national movement we'll see. Okay, that is partition and independence between 1939 to 1947. Next, followed by the making of Indian Constitution. The making of India's Constitution. This is the second unit. And third unit is the election process in India. The most interesting lesson. Election process in India. So this is a syllabus for FA2, children. All the questions will be in multiple choice questions. So choose the correct answers will be there. Be prepared to answer all these things. This is the end of the announcement of formative assessment 2 syllabus, children, for the classes 6th to 10th. Hope you understood, and I wish you all the best for your revision and for writing the examination. Thank you, children.